we're finding the greatest common factor with factor trees. The primes are 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. So we're going to take our first product here, 12, and we're going to break it down to 2 factors. You can do any 2. I'm going to do 3 times 4. Now look over here at my primes, and 3 is a prime number, so I'm going to circle my prime number. The 4 can go ahead and be broken down. 2 times 2 is 4. Now 2 is also prime, so we circle that. So my prime factorization of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. Coming over to the right on 30, I'm going to break it down into 3 numbers, and I'm going to use 3 times 10. 3 is prime, so I'm going to circle that. 10 is not, so I need to continue factoring that down. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 is prime, and 5 is prime. So my prime factorization of 30 is 2 times 3 times 5. Notice I put them in order, and I group my numbers together. So to find my greatest common factor, I'm going to have the greatest that is common to both. So I look over here, I've got 2, 2, and 3. And for 30, I've got 2, 3, and 5. So I want to see what is common. So they both have a 2 in it, and they both have a 3 in them. So once I multiply this, it is 6 is my greatest common factor.